how to fix login error in American Airlines. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and tap on your Wi-Fi to turn it on and to connect to a better network. By doing so, you shouldn't be having any problems while logging in. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet problems while logging in. However, if there's any other kinds of problems still, you can simply swipe up and navigate yourself to the American Airlines application. Tap and hold onto the application and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache, and here at the bottom of your screen you can see two options called Clear Storage and Clear Cache. You want to clear cache and clear your storage too. Click on Delete, and the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem while logging in, if there's any other kind of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below.